I'm going. In the mirror, up ahead, just Camaros everywhere. This is glorious. Traffic jams at Tim Hortons. Why? Because we have done something really special. Hyper Blue Metallic V6, turbo 4-cylinder in white, 50th SS. This is Illmatic's calm, cool, and collected, very clean SS. Of course, we have mine, which you all know. Some of you love, some of you hate. The blue is a hint. But my God, what a beautiful group. And then, Silver Ice Metallic SS convertible manual. What a beauty. Of course, you've got your windscreen on the back to make your life look, or make your life a little bit more comfortable. I love this. This whole tonneau cover portion is just spectacular. What a beautiful car. And this is not all of the Camaros that showed up. Some of them have already departed, and we are the remaining group that decided to go hit up Tim Hortons. Because that is the most Canadian thing you can do. Good? We live? Are we going to do it? Actually, are we good? We're on? Welcome back. Thank you everybody for joining me again. And I just want to say a huge thank you to everybody that came out to my car meet, made everything possible. I had anticipated 2 cars. The weather was looking shoddy. Nobody wants to make this drive, and it's kind of in a weird spot. I've tried to centrally locate it
for a bunch of people that I want to come out. Doesn't work for everybody, but we had 8 people come out, which was awesome. It's hard to believe that a guy that can't even put his socks on in the morning can buy a car, pick up a camera, and get you guys to come out and hang out. Share your cars. I can share my car. We can talk mods of what I want to do and get your guys' input. So I just want to say a huge thank you for everybody for coming out. It meant an absolute ton to me. And the next car meet, I'm looking at August 13th. I will post a video either this weekend or next weekend on where I'm going to do it. I might jump it up to a Tim Hortons that we ended at anyways. There was lots of parking. It's easy to get at. It's close to the highway. And there's a Tim Hortons because nothing is more Canadian than Tim Hortons. So we might as well Canadian the hell out of it, because that is what we are doing. We are taking a car culture that does not seem to exist in our area, and we are making this happen. And I am hugely appreciative of everybody letting me film their cars and share their cars, their Camaro experiences, and everything they've got going on. I'm a very modest guy. I have a modest income. I do the best I can do. I am a certified sticker mechanic by everybody that knows me, because the mods I actually do are usually stickers. It costs very little, it's a big impact, and it's downright cool. The kids love it. So why the hell not? So again, thank you. August 13th. We're going to see more of you out there next time. There might even be a cruise. There's been some talk, and not the car, an actual like driving your car. There was talks of last time. Everybody that came out was just so excited. It ended up being a 3.5-hour car meet. Didn't get dampened by the rain. It was just a good time. So more to come. So until next time, take care guys, and I will see you later.